Determine the external distance in meters. Okay, question 3, determine the stationing of a point Q on a core whose deflection angle from PC 6 degrees. Okay, we have 10 degrees. Okay, and this USA is stored 70 degrees east. Okay, so yun yung class kini. So, ulit tangent mo. Okay? Back and then forward tangent natin. So, kaning angle na rin, 70 degrees. Okay, so angle, in between nila, this is your central angle I. Central angle I, so this is I, is equivalent to 60 degrees na. The difference na naman. At the bottom, ikan rin, ito nila, ay mo na yung atong simple chord. Okay, so this radius, this is central angle, this is 60 degrees. Okay, so say given, so we have the radius test, this is 200 meter. Okay, then stationing at PC, this is the PC. Okay, and this is 1 plus 400. Okay, so question, determine the ordinate in meters. So our mega line from PC to PT plus. Okay, there's a point of intersection to the center of the board, the whole line. So this is your external line, this is your middle ordinate. Okay, and then this is 90 degrees. Okay, let's solve first the middle ordinate test. So the middle ordinate is equal to radius minus the distance of this one. Equal to patong biha. So that will be middle ordinate is equal. Okay, radius given. And then this is 30 degrees less. Okay, so that is radius of 200 minus this distance. Equal to patong biha. So patong biha. That is isolating this right triangle, that is R, or that's 200, and then cosine of 30 degrees, level. Level 26.8. Mana ni? Mana ni? Mana ni soal? Last. Meter, 26.8. Okay, determine the external distance. Okay, external test. External distance is equal. Okay, ang distance equal na rin, patong diha, minus the radius. Okay, radius mo rin, di ba? Patong diha. So, distance equal na rin, patong diha, minus distance equal na rin, patong diha. So, that will be equal to, okay, distance equal na rin, patong diha plus. Explain na ito, kanina right triangle na. Okay, so this is the adjacent side, this is the hypotenuse side. So, gamit ng 30 degrees, that is equal to 200 divided by cosine of 30 degrees minus the radius. Okay, minus the radius of 200. So, pila may value sa external? 13.80. 30.94. Okay, 94 meter. Okay, 30.94 meter. Okay, question 3. Okay, determine the stationing of a point Q on a core whose deflection angle from PC is 6 degrees. Okay, so therefore, let's say this is your Q. And then the deflection angle, deflecting glass, this is the deflection angle. Okay, and then the name angle of the glass, this is 6 degrees. Okay, and then, okay, para masolve na ito ng stationary glass, we need an arc length between PC patong sa Q. That is arc length. No? So, atong baton, equal sa center sa core, huwag niyo mo po value, huwag niyo mo line equal sa Q patong sa center sa core. Okay? So, if this is 6 degrees test, okay, rather than yung simple chord din nyo, Okay? Kaning less, kaning angle dire, kaning less is theta, no? Or this is I. Okay, kaning angle dire, this is I over 2. Okay, I over 2. Kaning put I over 2. Okay? So, basta kay in respect, no? Sa line test ni act ang imong chord. Okay? So, example, no? Let's say 60 degrees, let's say 60 degrees. Yeah? Therefore, kung saan ito prove na kaning less 30 degrees. Diba? So, this is equivalent to 60 man, diba? 180 minus 60, pila? Pila, 180 minus 60, pila yung doon, 20. Yes, since 1 minute less, isosceles right triangle mo na. And then, 180 minus 120, 60 na lang, i-divide ito, so 30 na. So, if this is 60 degrees, ang iyang central angle class na between siya is twice of that angle, that is 12 degrees the next one. Okay? So, we need an arc along sa basic, along sa cube. So, therefore, guys, we need an arc sa cube, guys, that is equal. SR lang, atong gamitan, or 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r times theta divided by 360 degrees. Pwede na naman. Okay? Pwede na ito yung proportions. Okay? Or pwede na by r. Yan pi, iba lang i-degrees. Okay? Doon ka mag-decimal siya. Diba? So we have 2 pi r, radius is 200, times the 10 times 12 degrees, divided by 360 degrees, pinay r 30. Ano yun? 41 point? 89 meter. So therefore, the stationing of Q plus is equal to 1 plus 400 plus 41.89. So the stationing is 1 plus 441.89. That is your answer. Okay, so the answer is letter B. The answer is letter B.